Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back to filming. I know it's been a very long time. I just had so much going on. I had to take like a little break and I'm finally back. I'm very excited, and I'm even more excited because today's video is an Amazon haul, which is one of my favorite kinds of videos to film, and literally everything in today's video is pink. So that's even more exciting. So I will link everything in today's video in the description bar below in case you're interested in any of these items. But before we get started, let's start off by talking about this gorgeous blouse that I am wearing. I love it so much. So this beautiful top is from LILYSILK, and they have multiple different styles of tops. I chose this one here because it has like the hidden buttons, but they also have the ones with little pearl buttons, which is super cute as well. I think it just looks very classy and elegant, and the color is just like perfect. It's literally the perfect shade of pink. Love that. So I also have some pillowcases from LILYSILK, and these are incredibly soft. Like, they are amazing. So silk pillowcases are great for your hair. They're also really good for your skin. It helps so that you don't get like any wrinkles. Sometimes when you're like sleeping on your pillow and you wake up, you have like that crease in your face. I think everybody needs a silk pillowcase in their life. It's literally the best thing ever. And I also have, also from LILYSILK, some scrunchies for your hair. So this set comes with 4, and these are so good if you're like doing your makeup or before bedtime. You can just, you know, put your hair up and it's not gonna damage your hair or break it. It's really silky and soft. So it's really gentle in the hair, and they're just really pretty, and there's like different sizes in that. So I will link the website to LILYSILK down below, as well as all the products that I mentioned in today's video, but definitely check them out. So the first thing I want to show you is my new mini fridge. This one here is from the brand Pottery, and it's so pretty. It's like the perfect color. It's very small and compact, which I love. And what's great about this mini fridge is that it has a 6-liter capacity, and in the back you can switch from cool or warm depending on what you're going to use this for. So I normally use my mini fridges for like my skincare products, and this one here I just want to use to store all my face masks and foot masks. And it's just great because when you open the mask, it's like really nice and cool. It keeps everything cool, and I think it's just perfect. And you can either put this in like your vanity, or even like if you have like plenty of space in your bathroom, you can even put it like on the countertop. But I definitely think that a mini fridge makes a huge difference with skincare. It just keeps everything nice and cool. It makes your products last longer. So I definitely highly recommend a mini fridge. So this one here is absolutely adorable. Like I said, it's from the brand Pottery, and let me show you the inside. It's pretty spacious. You can definitely fit a lot of things in here, and it has like this little compartment to put things inside. This is removable, so if you just want to use it to store like even like a little like soda cans, anything, it's such a good little fridge. It does come with a AC adapter as well as a car charger, which is great for travel. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I just love this like sleek look in the front. It's just very girly. So definitely recommend it. I'll link it down below. Again, it's a 6-liter mini fridge, and I think this is just perfect for like skincare items. Next, I have something that I have been wanting for a very long time, and I finally made the purchase. It's my JBL speaker, and it's pink. Love this so much. It is very powerful. Like, it has an incredible sound, and it is portable. I don't know if it's waterproof, to be honest with you. I don't think it is, or maybe it is. I'm not sure, but this is such a nice little speaker, and it has amazing sound. It is Bluetooth, so you just connect it to your phone or your tablet, and you can listen to music for literally hours. I go days without having to charge this. It did come with a charger, and it just charges very quickly. So again, this one is the Flip number 5 from GBL, and I did get this off of Amazon, so I'll link it down below. And it does come in multiple colors, not just pink, but I think it's so nice to have like a really nice good quality speaker. So next I have some items for tablets, and I did get this super cute little wireless keyboard. It is from Amazon. I'll link it below. But it is so pretty. It was very affordable, like compared to like the Apple ones. The Apple ones are like super pricey. I don't think I would ever buy those. But this does it all. It does the trick. You can even hook it up to your phone if you want to. It is Bluetooth, which is great. And I just really love this like so much, and it's pink. It's so beautiful. I also got this little case. It's the Apple Pencil case. It's like a rubber material, but it's just really nice because it kind of helps you to grip the pencil more. I did get this pencil for my iPad because I love to draw. Sometimes at nighttime when I can't fall asleep, I'll turn on my iPad and I'll do some drawing, but this one here is really nice, and it's also pink. I'll link it down below. This was literally like super affordable. I think it was probably like $7, but I highly recommend this little sleeve, and it just makes your Apple Pencil look super cute. So when it comes to drinking water, not the greatest at keeping up with the amount of water I should be drinking. So I decided to get this bottle to help me achieve the amount that I should be drinking. I know this is like super huge. It does come also like in another size down, so I think I actually got like the biggest size you could get, but they do have like a smaller side. Smaller size, and it's just so pretty. It comes in multiple colors, but I really like this shade of pink. They also have this like beautiful ombre one that looks very beautiful, but basically it tells you the time, and it kind of gives you like a motivation quotes to keep going and try to drink more water. So it literally starts from like 7 in the morning all the way down to 9 p.m. And it has a really nice straw because the bottom here, I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of like curved, which means that you will drink everything in this bottle, and I think it's great. It has a little handle. You can bring it to work, bring it if you're working out, and it opens like this, and it even comes with like a little straw. I think this is one of the greatest things I have ever bought myself because it's going to literally motivate me to drink more water and be more healthy. So I'm pretty excited about that. So next I have something that I am very excited about. It is a cooling blanket. Like, this is incredible. I really wish you could feel the quality and the material on this blanket. It is amazing. It is so cooling. It's just very like refreshing, and it's soft, it's soothing. So I took my phone out so I could read you the description of this amazing blanket. It says that it keeps you cool all night, even in warm and hot weather days. It's made out of special Japanese arc chill cooling fibers, and it says it reduces skin temperature by 2 to 5 degrees instantly. It's double-sided. It's fabric woven with arc chill cool yarn, which can quickly transfer moisture from the skin to the surface of the fabric and quickly evaporate. So it is really nice. Like, I am loving this blanket. Highly recommend it. I'll link it down below, and it does come in multiple colors. So I bought my daughter an iPad, and I needed to buy her a good case to protect it because I do not want her iPad to break. iPads are not cheap at all, and I found this really cute case. Like, it's adorable. It's pink, and it's made out of this like really nice sturdy foam. It's like hard foam, but it's like soft at the same time, and I love it because it has like really nice like thick corners in case it falls or drops or anything, and it's really nice. It has like that area there for the camera, and it has this like little teddy bear here, which I think is so cute. This comes down like this in case she wants to stand up her iPad and she wants to like watch something, either like this or like this on the side, and I just think it's so cute. It's like adorable. It does come in multiple colors, and I'll link it down below. And the last thing I want to show you is an eyelash case, which is so cute. I love this so much. It stores 3 pairs of lashes. It keeps them nice and clean, dust free, and it is absolutely stunning. It's super cheap too. I think this was like $5 or $7. I can't remember, but I'll link it down below. I think this is definitely a must-have in everybody's makeup bag. But that was everything for today's video. I will link everything below. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony.